Bharat Petroleum is currently recruiting for several entry-level profiles. It is a significant career opportunity, but the application phase requires exact precision. Any mismatch in your data or documentation will lead to disqualification at any stage of the process. You are working within a specific timeframe. The online application portal opens on April 18th and closes at midnight on May 17th, 2026. One of the most common reasons applications fail early is that the candidate applies for a profile that does not align with their educational background or years of experience. Before you start the digital form, you must verify that you meet every eligibility requirement. This is the only way to ensure your file progresses to the screening stage. There are 3 distinct junior executive paths. The engineering profile is for those 32 or younger who hold a 3-year engineering diploma and possess at least 5 years of post-qualification experience in plant or pipeline operations. The accounts profile is different. It requires candidates to be between 30 and 35 years old. You must be a graduate and have passed the CA or CMA intermediate exams, along with 5 years of experience in a finance function. The Wayside Amenities profile also has a 32-year age limit. It requires a degree in a field like business administration or hospitality, and 5 years of experience in retail store operations or facility management. Each role serves a different part of the business. Engineering positions focus on technical maintenance and refinery operations, while the executive roles handle financial auditing, retail standards, and customer service. If your work history does not match the specific profile you select, your application will be rejected. This self-assessment is the foundation of a successful submission. Once you have identified your profile, you must organize your digital documents. You should have all files ready before you begin the online registration. One specific requirement involves your financial records. Your 3 most recent salary slips must be scanned together into a single PDF file. Your service and work experience certificate is also critical. It must be printed on official letterhead and signed by an authorized representative. The certificate must state your designation, length of service, detailed nature of work, and current basic salary and CTC. When scanning your signature, ensure it is written in your standard handwriting. If you provide a signature written in all capital letters, it will not be accepted. These document formatting requirements are incredibly strict. If files fall short of these standards, the system automatically disqualifies your application during initial screening. To start, visit the BPCL website and go to the Careers page. Click Apply Online and then select Click Here for New Registration. Enter your name exactly as it is spelled on their Class 10 certificates and official ID. Even a minor discrepancy in spelling can cause issues with your identity verification later. After you submit your initial details, the system will provide a provisional registration number and password. You should record these immediately. This registration number is your permanent link to your application profile. You need it to log back in if you cannot complete the form in one sitting. Carefully enter your educational background and your full work history into the relevant fields. As you move through the sections, click Save and Next. This ensures your progress is stored if your internet connection drops or the session times out. When you reach the Document section, upload the combined mark sheets, the single salary slip PDF, and your service certificates. Before finishing, open the Preview tab to verify every date, spelling entry, and uploaded attachment. Once you click the Complete Registration button, your entry is final. You cannot make any changes to your data after this point. A meticulous, line-by-line review ensures your data perfectly matches your evidence before final submission. The last requirement for most candidates is the application fee. For general, OBC, NCL, and EWS candidates, the fee is 1,000 rupees plus 18% GST, totaling 1,180 rupees. Candidates from the SC, ST, and PWBD categories are exempt from this payment. Complete the transaction using the online portal. Wait for the "Transaction is successfully completed" message on your screen and save the receipt. Until this payment is successfully logged, the application is not visible to BPCL systems and will not be considered for the next stage. Once your payment is confirmed, your submission is complete. You do not need to send any physical documents or hard copies to the BPCL office. If your application passes the initial screening, you will be invited to participate in a written or computer-based test. Successful test takers then move into more detailed evaluations, such as case-based discussions, group tasks, and a personal interview. The final step for provisionally selected candidates is a pre-employment medical examination conducted by an authorized company doctor to ensure you meet required health standards. By completing these steps, you have put your name forward for consideration. Monitor your email account regularly